Hello, and this is my Google Maps, My Maps project. So I posted about Big Bear. I took my daughter up to Big Bear a couple months ago. It was just me and her, mother-daughter time. So we drove up the 38 and we first went to Big Bear Discovery Center. And it was having some snow up there. This is a picture of my daughter. Here's another picture. She had fun. Then we drove this way and then we parked the car over here. There's a parking lot where Cougar Crest Trailhead is. There's a parking lot right here. So then we hiked. Went on a hike down the trail. We went down the trail this way. Sorry. We didn't go too far because I got tired after a while and so did she, and it was already almost 4 o'clock. And I didn't want to hit traffic coming back. So this is all the trail we went and then we turned around. So we kind of stopped in the middle and there she is walking. There's snow in the background, but not on the trail part. Somewhat as you go deeper, there's snow. So we had a little snowball fight. I don't know how to make this bigger. There she is in the snow. And then we went up a little bit more, and then we kind of just turned back around. And got in the car, and then we drove back down the 38, and then we went to this Serrano campground site. We explored it, and then we sat there and we ate lunch, me and her. So it was a good experience. We had fun. It was a good 3 hours of fun for us, and I plan on taking her again, but maybe this time renting maybe a cabin or something so we can stay the night up in the mountains, just me and her. And that's it. That was our trip up to the Big Bear.